trouble scooping freeze-dried foods into your mylar bags? I came up with an easy homemade solution. It's sort of my take on expensive French fry scoopers that many people purchase for this purpose. I took a used 2-liter soda bottle and cut it into this shape. I then placed a piece of metal sheeting on the top. This gives it a straight surface to scoop up all the deliciousness. The only downside is that you have to clean under the metal each time you use it. Oh, and make sure the cap is screwed on tightly. You don't want any goodness coming out the back.